Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel NextBuy, where we bring you the latest and greatest in tech. Today, we will be counting down the top 6 dash cams of 2023. Dash cams have become increasingly popular in recent years due to their ability to capture crucial footage during an accident, but with so many options on the market, it can be hard to choose the right one. That's why we've done the research for you and have compiled this list of the top-rated dash cams for 2023. Links to all items in the video are given in the description. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel and you will never end up with a bad product. So, let's dive in. Starting off our list at number 6 is the Rove R3 4K Dash Cam. This dash cam offers high-quality footage in stunning 4K resolution with a 150-degree wide-angle lens, allowing you to capture every detail of the road ahead. It also features built-in Wi-Fi and GPS, making transferring files and tracking your location easy. Additionally, the Rove R3 4K has a G-sensor that detects sudden movements or impacts, automatically saving the footage to prevent it from being overwritten. With its sleek and compact design, the Rove R3 4K is a great choice for those who want high-quality footage without a bulky dashcam taking up space on their windshield. Next up on our list is the REDTIGER 4K Dash Cam. This dash cam is perfect for those who want the ultimate in high-resolution footage. With a 4K resolution and a 170-degree wide-angle lens, the REDTIGER captures every detail of the road ahead, including license plates and street signs. It also features built-in Wi-Fi and GPS, making it easy to transfer files and track your location. Additionally, the REDTIGER has a parking mode that activates the camera when it senses motion or impact while parked, providing added security and peace of mind. With its advanced features and impressive footage quality, the REDTIGER 4K Dash Cam is a great investment for any driver. Taking the 4th spot on our list is the Nexar Beam GPS Dash Cam. This dashcam offers excellent footage quality with a 1080p resolution and a 135-degree wide-angle lens. It also features built-in GPS, allowing you to track your location and speed, and Wi-Fi, making it easy to transfer files. One standout feature of the Nexar Beam is its automatic emergency response system, which detects collisions and sends an alert to your phone, ensuring that you receive help as quickly as possible. Additionally, the Nexar Beam has a parking mode that activates the camera when it senses motion or impact while parked, providing added security for your vehicle. Coming in at number 3 is the Vantrue N2 Pro Dash Cam. This dash cam features dual cameras that capture both the road ahead and the interior of the vehicle, ensuring that you have a complete view of your surroundings. The front-facing camera captures footage in 1440p resolution with a 170-degree wide-angle lens, while the interior camera captures footage in 1080p resolution with a 140-degree angle. The Vantrue N2 Pro also features built-in GPS and Wi-Fi, making it easy to transfer files and track your location. Additionally, it has a parking mode that activates the camera when it senses motion or impact while parked. With its dual cameras and advanced features, the Vantrue N2 Pro is an excellent choice for those who want comprehensive coverage. Taking the 2nd spot on our list is the Rove R3 Dash Cam. This compact and discreet dash cam captures footage in 1440p resolution with a 150-degree wide-angle lens, ensuring that you get a clear and wide view of the road ahead. It also features built-in GPS and Wi-Fi, making it easy to transfer files and track your location. One standout feature of the Rove R3 is its supercapacitor, which allows the dash cam to operate in extreme temperatures and ensures that your footage is saved even if the power is cut off. Additionally, the Rove R3 has a parking mode that activates the camera when it senses motion or impact while parked, providing added security and peace of mind for your vehicle. With its advanced features and compact design, the Rove R3 Dash Cam is an excellent choice for those who want reliable footage without a bulky dashcam taking up space on their windshield. And finally, taking the top spot on our list is the Vantrue N2 3-channel 4K Dash Cam. This dash cam features 3 cameras that capture footage of the road ahead, the interior of the vehicle, and the rear of the vehicle, ensuring that you have complete coverage. The front-facing camera captures footage in stunning 4K resolution with a 155-degree wide-angle lens, while the interior and rear cameras capture footage in 1440p and 1080p resolution, respectively. The Vantrue N2 also features built-in GPS and Wi-Fi, making it easy to transfer files and track your location. Additionally, it has a parking mode that activates the camera when it senses motion or impact while parked, providing added security for your vehicle. One standout feature of the Vantrue N2 is its Sony Starvis image sensor, which provides excellent low-light performance, ensuring that you get clear footage even in dark environments. It also has a supercapacitor, which allows it to operate in extreme temperatures and ensures that your footage is saved even if the power is cut off. With its comprehensive coverage, advanced features, and excellent footage quality, the Vantrue N2 3-channel 4K dash cam is the ultimate dash cam for any driver. So there you have it, our top 6 picks for the best dash cams of 2023. From high-resolution footage to advanced features like built-in GPS and Wi-Fi, these dash cams offer reliable and comprehensive coverage for any driver. Whether you're looking for a budget-friendly option or the ultimate in coverage, there's a dash cam on this list that's perfect for you. Thanks for watching.